So many people are still finding it difficult to get started with crypto. To get started with crypto, you don't need to be a tech bro or a tech sis. You just need to know the basics on how to buy and sell. You just know the basic on how to buy low and sell high. Crypto is just all about buying low and selling high. You don't need to bug yourself with too much fundamental analysis or technical analysis on how to buy and draw charts. No, just bother yourself about that one. You just need to buy and hold. You buy a crypto and keep in your wallet and hold. So many persons might tell you that crypto trading is so risky, or getting started with crypto is so hard and difficult, or you might lose your money. The truth be said, crypto is volatile, but you cannot lose your money 100%. For me to come tell you about crypto, I don't make enough money. People are making money in crypto. I personally have made money in crypto and I'm still making money in crypto. There are two ways you can get started with crypto. It's either you buy crypto with your own money or you get started with airdrop. It's either you earn airdrop or you buy and hold with your own money. As a beginner with 50,000 naira, you can start trading crypto. You don't need to trade, just buy, keep it in your wallet, and when the price of the crypto you bought appreciates, just cash out your money. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can start trading crypto. If you like crypto and tech content, kindly like and subscribe, and also turn on the notification so that you'll be the first to get updates whenever I drop a new video. The easiest way for you to get started in crypto is to purchase crypto with your own money. You need to create a centralized exchange trading account. I recommend you using Git.io, Bidget, or Binance, or you can also use Bybit. I will drop the link in my description below. If you don't have an account, go and use the link and create an account. So after creating an account, you need to verify the account using your national identity, BVN, or your international passport. First thing, you need to deposit Naira into your exchange account, because we will need to deposit dollar into our exchange account because we'll be using USDT to purchase crypto. Because in Nigeria, you cannot use Naira to trade on any exchange. We only use USDT. So we'll be using P2P. You go to P2P on any of the exchange, because most of these exchanges have P2P, peer-to-peer, where you can buy USDT and you can pay the vendor with your Naira. So you'll be transferring Naira from your bank account to the P2P vendor's bank account, and the vendor will send the USDT to your wallet. After you've gotten the USDT in your wallet, you cannot use this USDT to purchase any crypto of your choice. You can decide to hold it for months, weeks, or years. Now note that after buying a crypto, you are not making instant profit. You have to wait for some particular time, either months, sometimes years or weeks, for you to get a return, depending on the kind of crypto you purchase. You are not getting instant profit, but on a long run, you are going to see the value of the crypto you purchase increase, or it might also decrease. Now, it's either you hold or you sell. But the main fact is that do not sell at a very low price. If you are buying a crypto when the crypto was $1, you have to sell it when the crypto appreciates in value to $2. Then you now sell. But if you are selling below, that means you are losing money. You are going to lose money. So when purchasing a crypto, don't use the fund you need at that time. Only use funds that you don't need at that particular time. Now, after buying your crypto, you can also stake your crypto and earn interest in your stake, because in some exchanges you can stake your crypto and earn interest. For example, I'm going to show you how to stake using the Binance app. Now we are on our Binance app. I'm going to show you how you can stake your crypto. While you are holding your crypto, you can see stake. So you are earning from both sides. You are earning while you hold, and you are also earning while you stake your crypto. I'm going to be using the Binance For example, you go to your wallet, you click on earning, you click on the coin you are willing to stake. I'll be staking my ARO. I have 19 basis of AWIF token, so I'm going to stake the AWIF token. This is how you stake. Go to your wallet, you click on earn, then you click on earn, the earning tab, you click on the token. So I have 19 pieces of ARO token, which is the AWIF token. So I click on confirm. I have successfully staked my AWIF token. So if you stake a token, you'll be receiving commission every day, or depending on how many days or years you stake your token. Another thing is that you can get started in crypto through airdrop. If you check my previous video, I talked about how to participate in some certain airdrop. In airdrop, you don't need to invest your money in airdrop. Just participate in some certain stacks that the project asks you to participate. And at the end of the month, depending on the duration of the project, when the token finally lists, you'll be earned some certain percentage or allocation of the token. Now, airdrop might take 5, 6, 7, 8 months, depending on how many months the airdrop might last. So you just need to participate in this airdrop, and when you get your allocation, you can start using that allocation to trade or invest in it, or you sell. Now, one thing is that when you receive your airdrop allocation, don't rush to sell it. Use that airdrop, use that allocation, use that token to kickstart your journey in crypto. That is how we make money in crypto. If you like content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.